Hey, I'm Sparky, and these flying around my head right now are your organs. Your brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, kidneys, they're all living inside you and right now working every single second to keep you alive. Cool, right?
An amazing organ waiting for you right on the other side. Ready? Here we go. There! Did you know you have the most powerful computer in the world inside your head? It's your brain. Tap your head right now. Yup, it's in there.
Your brain sits safely inside your skull. That's your head bone. It has different parts. One part thinks of your body, one part feels happy or sad. So cool! Wow! Inside your brain, there are 86 billion tiny cells called neurons. They shoot messages to each other super fast. Your brain is the boss of your whole body. It controls your eyes, ears, breathing, heartbeat, everything. Our organs are amazing. They never stop working, not even for 1 second, keeping us alive. Take care of your amazing body. It takes care of you every single day. I hope you understand now just how special you really are.
Thanks for learning about our amazing body organs with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sparky Science.